Hello guys, welcome back again on Floki analysis video. So previously I have analyzed that it is going to test this downtrend and Floki is perfectly coming to that line and most probably it will go up from here. So previously I have my 11k plus subscribers channel. This was my channel, but currently I am not working on this due to some technical issues. I started this channel, so subscribe to this channel because of course it's new and all new subscribers will get a chance to win our premium course. So that's why must subscribe it. Now let's check that what we can expect for the long term on Floki. Previously, market has formed this very big fair value gap on weekly time frame, and this was the major area. But market did not touch that major area, form this downtrend, and consistently forming this type of structure. So consistently, a bullish channel is forming on weekly time frame, which means that it has some chances to go up from this level. Okay, on daily time frame it is exactly or almost touching this area perfectly, and if we check on 4 hour, currently it is looking very bearish and there is not any bullish sign at this level. So of course we will not enter at this point because maybe it can go like this. So how we should proceed further? You have to wait for any bullish signs in this area, and when those bullish patterns will form, like morning star bullish engulfing, or maybe in lower time frame reverse head and shoulder pattern, then I will enter for the long term, and this will be my stop loss. Keep in mind that stop loss in this crypto market is very necessary, because we does not know that on which coin dump happens, on which coin whales just did rug pull. We are not familiar that which coin is going to be zero, like Luna. So these are the possibilities out there in the market, and to tackle these things or to cover all these risks, we have to stay active and alerted, and we have to take solid steps towards achieving our long term goals. Because if one coin has gone into zero, then our 5% or 10% account if go into zero, then that does not make sense. So that's why exiting earlier and placing stop loss with each order is necessary. If one time, two time, or three time your stop loss is hit, it's absolutely fine. You don't need it to worry about those things. Why? Because if you have 1 is to 3 risk to reward ratio, then you are successful trader. What does it mean? It simply means if you are hitting your stop loss 60 time and taking profits only 40 time, you will be in profitable stage. Okay, so this is the power of risk management and money management. Now let's check for more lower time frames. Currently we are not forming any bullish signs yet, so for buying 4 hour and 1 hour must show some solid evidences here. Then maybe on retests of this level, or on the retest of that candlestick pattern, we will enter for the long term. Okay, I hope you have got it, And for the scalping purposes, if you wanted to do scalping, then I am not pretty much sure for scalping in this coin currently because it's available on major level. But if you touch these fair value gaps, and if you found any bearish patterns like bearish engulfing, evening star, then a short term or scalping entry can be taken by placing stop loss above it. But keep in mind that stop loss with each and every trade is very necessary. It also has chances of going directly like this. Keep in mind that although it's a major level, but if there are not signs of bullishness, then it will break below. That's why I am waiting for evidence. I am not blindly enter with any level. Here is our premium membership. Become member of our community, and you will get high quality updates and signals on all type of cryptos. So the recommendation is that you should go with it. It will definitely help you.